Good afternoon po sa tanan po. Good afternoon ulit sa all the people around the world po. So ngayon, ang tatalakayan po natin pang makinig po tayo sa regarding po to sa what you call yung mga promotion sa mga delayed promotion sa mga bagong general po. So makinig po tayo kay Senador what you call Lacson at kay Michael po. Again, thank you sa lahat sa walang sawang support sa aking Jimmy Vlog po. Okay, makinig na po tayo.
No 1-year ban. That's my point. So I hope I satisfy the query posited by the Honorable Marcoleta. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Well, Mr. Chair, that is an assumption. Somebody should explain from this committee if that assumption is correct.
Nako.
Because the law is the law. They have just reached their age of 56.
Correct.
And they were bypassed. That is a fact. We cannot change that fact,
Nabaypas ka ba yan?
Mr. Chair. That is the only point that I'm trying to raise here.
Mhm.
Kasi maliwanag po yung sinasabi naming batas. Wala po tayong personalan dito. I hope that these 5 officers, gusto ko rin naman sila na mailagay natin sa tamang ayos ng kanilang confirmation. But there is a hurdle here. Yun lang ang problema rito, Mr. Chair. Kasi maliwanag po yung sinasabi ng batas. Lumilitaw, after their compulsory retirement, less than 1 year na eh. As a matter of fact, they were unable to submit the documents for confirmation only, siguro, hindi ko po alam, but only the secretary can testify when exactly were they able to complete the documents for confirmation. Ang may kasalanan po talaga yung June 3 kasi nag-adjourn. Pagkatapos, sana man lang before adjournment, sinabi natin, nag-schedule tayo na i-confirm natin sila. Wala nga silang kasalanan, but somebody is at fault here. And then we have now a problem with the law. We cannot just simply say na we assume that they are not covered by 1-year ban. No.
Correct.
The law is very clear, Mr. Chair. Salamat po.
Naku po.
Chair, would that-
Pinky. Nako.
Okay na?
Mhm.
Honorable Teodoro,
Mm.
I'd like to make a manifestation. Honorable Marcy Teodoro.
Mr. Chairman, point of information. Bago po ako rito pero meron po tayong kaso Matibag versus Benipayo, GR number 149036 of 2002. This has something to do and defining what is a bypass appointment. As pointed out earlier by Senator Lacson, that this is basically a continuation of the previous session. Hence, the appointment was not technically bypass as defined under the said doctrine under Matibag versus Benipayo. Point of information, Mr. Presiding, Mr. Chairman, this may help or guide the committee in its decision. As defined, a bypass appointment occurs only when upon the close of the session of Congress. It's true that the Congress was immediately adjourned, but a special session was called upon, so it's being considered a continuation this proceeding. So if June 17 of this year is considered a continuation of the same congressional session, and this is not a new session, that event triggers the bypass, but not yet occurred. Therefore, the appointment remain pending and subject to the CA action. This is my humble observation and opinion on the on the matter, Mr. Chair, that the appointments remain pending and subject to CA action.
Thank you,
Eto,
Honorable
sasagutin
Siguro.
yan.
Yes, Honorable Marcoleta.
Mr. Chair, I think we should clearly clarify that this plenary session is not a continuation of the last session. This plenary session is not a continuation of the last session, simply because this is a clearly separate proceeding given that Congress adjourned sine die on June 3. This is
Okay.
very clear. We should not explain it any further. And Matibag versus Benipayo was quoted, Mr. Chair. In this case, Mr. Chair, not interim appointment can be terminated for two causes specified in the Constitution. Article 7, Section 16, Paragraph 2. Ang sabi doon, the first cause is the disapproval of an interim appointment by the CA. The second one is the adjournment of Congress without the CA acting on his appointment. Ito yung Matibag versus Banipayo. Mr. Chair, may I manifest that I have nothing against the five officers subject of today's
Your own.
confirmation. I
Correct.
think we have to thank them for their gallantry and service
Correct.
to our nation. I'm just trying to make a point here,
Mhm.
but I am not objecting because we need to know and we need to articulate what is the law.
Correct.
That must be the concern of this proceeding,
Mhm.
Mr. Chair. Sana wala na yung assumption kasi na sinasabi pa nila kanina that there is a continuation. This is not. Alam natin lahat yun eh. Because we are misleading our members for doing that, Mr. Chair.
Yeah.
Ang importante na lang dito, kung wala namang mag-object sa kanila, I'm just pointing it for the record that there is a law that must be respected in connection with this, Mr. Chair. Thank you.
Yun.
Thank you, Honorable Marcoleta.
Diba mga kababayan, pambihira kasi.
No objection, and there was a previous motion, so I moved to act on the previous motion.
Pambihira mga
The
kababayan. Diba? Pinky talaga, oh. Diba? Ang Kamarkuleta naman mga kababayan ay hindi siya nag-aano sa promotion na yan mga kababayan, diba? Siyempre, sino ba namang pipigil sa promotion, diba?